Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your window visors in the 2024 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an LX front wheel drive in Vesta Blue. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, this is just a simple one and more of a just in case you didn't know, but your window visors that are located in the ceiling here, we'll go ahead and open it. You're going to see inside, you do have a little vanity mirror that you can open and close as you want to. You have a little card holder slot here, so you can put a card in there, or a parking ticket, or whatever you can fit in there. You have a little light up in the ceiling. When you go to turn that light on, if you forgot to turn it off, you go ahead and close the visor, it will hit the button and it will turn it off for you. So you can't accidentally leave it on unless the visor is wide open. And then don't forget, these do unhook, and when they're unhooked, they do slide. They're extendable visors. So they do move back and forth. There is a little symbol here to let you know that they do, but just in case you didn't know, and they're pretty versatile that way. And this is going to be the same for the passenger side as well as your driver's side. Everything works the same on both of them. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.